Maria Montessori once said, "To assist a child, we must provide him with an environment which will enable him to develop freely." Hi parents, I'm Maria, SVP PYP Principal. As a Montessori educator for many years, there are 3 things I wish every parent knew about this approach. First, Montessori is about the whole child. It's not just about academics. Montessori develops the whole child, intellectually, socially, emotionally, and physically. The skills they learn here go beyond the classroom. Independence, empathy, and responsibility for themselves and their community. Second, you have to remember, in Montessori is that the environment supports the learning. In Montessori, the classroom is carefully prepared so that every material and detail has a purpose. The environment invites children to explore, choose, and inquire at their own pace. Here, the learning space itself becomes a guide, supporting the child's independence and growth. Last and the most important thing is to let your child take the lead. As parents, one of the greatest gifts you can give is to trust the process. When children are given time, space, and respect, their potential unfolds in remarkable ways. Children learn best when they have ownership of their learning. Our role as teacher or parent is to observe closely and guide when needed. But the child is the active learner. This builds confidence, self-motivation, and a love for learning that will last for life. I invite you to see Montessori in action at Sekolah Victory Plus. Come and discover how this approach can support your child's future.